The OnePlus Pad 2 has arrived, and it's packed with intriguing updates and features. With a faster processor, improved display, and upgraded accessories, it promises a lot. But is it worth the higher price tag? From its performance and audio quality to its design and battery life, there's much to consider. Whether you're contemplating an upgrade or a first-time purchase, this review will reveal whether the OnePlus Pad 2 lives up to the hype or if it's just another tablet in a crowded market. Get ready for a detailed look at what this device has to offer. The OnePlus Pad 2 maintains the sleek and premium metal unibody design, similar to its predecessor. Measuring 268.7 by 195.1 by 6.5 mm and weighing 584 grams, it's slim but on the heavy side, which might be uncomfortable for prolonged single-hand use. The weight makes it bulkier compared to some competitors, like the 13-inch iPad Pro. The build quality is solid, with a metal frame that feels durable. The USB Type-C port has been upgraded to USB 3.2 Gen 1, providing faster data transfer speeds compared to the previous USB 2.0 standard. However, there's no fingerprint reader, which could have added a layer of security and convenience. The OnePlus Pad 2 features a 12.1-inch IPS display with a resolution of 3000 by 2120 pixels and a 144 Hz refresh rate. This makes the screen crisp and smooth, perfect for scrolling and navigating through apps. The 600 nits brightness ensures good visibility even in bright environments. Its 7:5 aspect ratio is particularly suited for reading ebooks, PDFs, and manga, providing a more immersive experience. However, it uses an LCD panel rather than OLED. While this keeps the tablet's thickness and weight in check, it means colors aren't as vibrant and contrast levels aren't as high as they could be. The display lacks some of the advanced features, like HDR video support, which might be a letdown for users expecting a more premium viewing experience. The OnePlus Pad 2 is equipped with a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera. While these specifications are solid for a tablet, they don't stand out in a market where camera performance is often less emphasized. The rear camera, with its f/2.2 aperture, captures decent images but lacks features seen in smartphones, such as optical image stabilization. It works well for quick snaps but isn't suited for professional-grade photography. The front camera, with its f/2.3 aperture, is designed for video calls and selfies. It performs adequately but doesn't have advanced features like high-resolution video recording or enhanced low-light capabilities. A notable omission is the limelight feature, present in the original OnePlus Pad, which automatically tracked users during video calls. Its removal might be disappointing for those who found it useful for keeping themselves centered in video chats. The OnePlus Pad 2 houses a 9510 mAh battery that offers a decent performance. On a typical day with activities like streaming videos, playing games, and browsing the web, it delivers around 6 to 8 hours of screen time. This amount of usage might not impress heavy users who need more endurance, especially for long flights or extended work sessions. Charging is notably quick thanks to the included 67W charger, which takes the battery from 1% to 100% in just under an hour. This fast charging capability is a major plus, ensuring minimal downtime. Despite the strong charging performance, the battery life itself is average compared to some competitors. For users who need their tablet to last through a full day of intensive use, the OnePlus Pad 2 might fall short. However, for lighter tasks and moderate use, it should be sufficient. The OnePlus Pad 2 features a 6-speaker setup that significantly improves its audio quality compared to its predecessor. This setup delivers clear and detailed sound, making it great for both music and movies. The speakers produce a room-filling audio experience with minimal distortion even at high volumes. OnePlus has introduced Omni-Bearing Sound Field technology, which is meant to create a more immersive listening environment. However, the hollow audio feature, which places different audio sources in virtual spaces, may not work as effectively as hoped and can be turned off if preferred. The OnePlus Pad 2 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This latest chip is designed to deliver top-tier performance, making the tablet highly responsive and capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking between apps or running graphics-intensive games, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 ensures smooth operation. In terms of memory, the Pad 2 offers options with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, which is more than sufficient for efficient multitasking and running multiple applications simultaneously. Storage options are 128GB or 256GB, providing ample space for apps, media, and documents. However, the storage is fixed, meaning it cannot be expanded with a memory card. The tablet runs on Android 14 with Oxygen OS 14.1, which brings a refined user experience and improved system animations. OnePlus has also introduced an Open Canvas feature that enhances multitasking by allowing users to open multiple apps on the screen simultaneously and switch between them seamlessly. This feature, borrowed from the OnePlus Open, adds to the tablet's versatility. App optimization is noticeably better on the OnePlus Pad 2, thanks in part to improvements in Android 14. However, some popular apps like Facebook and Messenger still encounter issues in landscape mode, which may affect user experience. The tablet also includes AI-driven features, such as the AI Eraser, for image manipulation and tools that summarize lecture recordings for students. These features, though not fully rolled out yet, show OnePlus's commitment to integrating AI into its devices. For gaming, the OnePlus Pad 2 excels, maintaining nearly 60 frames per second on Genshin Impact and up to 120 frames per second on PUBG Mobile. Its large size and aluminum unibody design help manage heat, preventing overheating during extended gaming sessions. The OnePlus Pad 2 offers an upgraded smart keyboard designed for better productivity. This new keyboard provides a more responsive typing experience and includes function keys for added convenience. It is versatile and supports various typing modes, making it suitable for different tasks. If the OnePlus Pad 2 has caught your eye, you can check out the link below to make a purchase. For more tech reviews and comparisons, don't miss our other videos. Find a similar one that might interest you right on your screen. See how the OnePlus Pad 2 stacks up against its competitors and decide if it's the right fit for you.